For what I'm making today, you're gonna have to set your oven to 425. So let's do that. 425. There we go. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today, I am making lactose intolerant free pizza, which is dairy free. It means I'm not adding cheese on this pizza because it is awesome without the cheese. So when creating this, you want to first take your pie crusts, pizza crusts, whatever you want to call it, and you want to put your olive oil on it. So you want to more or less drizzle it on. You want to put it all over the whole entire pizza. So we're going to use a brush. So that helps a whole lot to get it all around it. Because you only need a little bit of oil. You don't need so much to drown it. You just want enough that you can get it all over the pizza pie crust. There we go. See, it's all on there. You might not see it because of the light, but it's there. Now you want to put your pizza sauce on. I always love pizza sauce. I could eat it right out of the can. Just like this. That was good. You want to make sure it's on everywhere, or the best to your ability that you can get it everywhere. Sometimes you might even have to add a little bit more to it just because it didn't fully get on all over. Okay, great. Now that you've done that, the pièce de résistance, the best thing, the olives. You want to smother that pizza with olives. You just want to place them all over the pizzas. I mean, really, that's the whole point of this pizza. Without the olives, it's okay. It's not the greatest. It's just sauce, which is really crappy, to be very honest. But when you got all the olives on it, it is freaking amazing. Your mouth will water like there is no tomorrow. Okay, now you want to spread them all over just to make sure that they're not clumped in one big spot in the middle. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to stick them in the oven. Before you stick these pizzas in, you want to make sure that your temperature is at 425 for this. Now you're going to pull out this oven tray right here at the bottom so you can put your pizzas right on top. So here we go. Just like that. Just how it is. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You put them back in and cook them for about 7 to 10 minutes depending on your preference. I'm going to put 7 minutes and then come back and check it. Now that the timer has gone off, you just want to check the pizza to make sure it looks good still. You just want to test it out because you want to make sure it's nice and pretty. So it's not fully crispy or anything, so you're going to cook it for a little bit longer. So I'm going to cook it for the next 3 minutes because you cook it to 7 to 10 minutes. So let's put the timer on 3 minutes. The timer's gone off for the last time and it's ready to take these bad boys out. Because they look like they are totally ready. Oh yeah. Crispy around the edges. So I'm going to use a spatula to get them out. Because I don't want to burn myself. There we go. Nice and done. So there we go. We have made dairy-free or lactose-free pizzas with tomato sauce and olives, which is amazing. It tastes fabulous. It is the greatest thing ever. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel down below. Click the little red subscribe button with the little bell so you can get the notification every time I upload a video, which is daily at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So watch it accordingly to your time of where it is, so you know, because you might be in a different time zone than me. Also, hit that thumbs up button, smash it, squash it, high five it, just smack it, because I'm awesome, you're awesome, we're all awesome together. And also share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also comment below if you want to see me make anything. Please do that. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Jay's squad and Cooking with Jay, and subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And most importantly, remember, be happy.